Hi, this is Glenn Andrade from Digital Synergy, and in this video, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing and the 4 best affiliate programs for YouTubers. So right now, there's a huge opportunity for affiliate marketers to make money on YouTube. It's actually one of the most visited websites, and it's the second largest search engine. According to recent studies, people spend an average of 8 minutes, 41 seconds on YouTube every day. Now, based on these statistics, it only makes sense to get involved with affiliate marketing on YouTube, and today I'm going to be talking about the top 4 affiliate programs that you should consider. So, number 1 on the list today is Clickbank. Now, this is probably the easiest and the most popular affiliate programs. It has been around since 1998, and it has a huge marketplace. They have a nice product listing, which I'll show you in a moment, which they call a gravity score. And what that does, it helps give you an idea of the number of affiliates making money promoting that particular product. Now, the higher the gravity score, generally speaking, the better. Now, the other great thing about Clickbank is that they pay high commissions, which range generally from 50 to 90%. They also have many products that have recurring commission, which means that you'll continue to make money even after the original sale. So let me show you a quick look inside to tell you what I'm talking about. So once you log in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. It will look like this. And I've went ahead and clicked on the marketplace. In the marketplace, you'll see all of the various categories that you can basically promote any product. So I'm just going to click on the first one here just as an example. Oops, okay, it's kind of signed me out. Sign back in. And so I went into the arts and entertainment. So as you can see, it lists all of the categories, all the products within that category, and you can filter using different filters, gravity, the average sale, initial sale, average rebill, that's recurring. And then this is what I was referring to earlier when I mentioned the gravity score. That's what this is right here. So you want to kind of use that as a guide to see what is a good product for you to promote. And then in here, it'll give you access to the affiliate page. You can go in there and learn more about the particular programs that you're going into. As you can see, I'm not going to go into every single one of those with great detail, but you can go in there. It's easy to sign up. It doesn't cost anything, and you can take it from there. So Clickbank is ideal for when you want to promote digital or informational type of products. Now, they do have some physical products, but they are very limited. And that actually brings us to number 2 on our list, which is the Amazon Associates program. That's their affiliate program, and it's probably also one of the most, or the second most popular, if not the most popular, along with Clickbank. And this is perfect if you're not in the digital or informational space. So in other words, you want to sell physical products, and as you know, Amazon has a huge marketplace of pretty much any physical product that you can think of. And statistics show that almost 200 million people around the world shop at Amazon every month. That means that obviously you're going to get a great amount of exposure as an affiliate marketer. Also, Amazon offers something just about for anyone, no matter what niche you're in, whether you're into health, beauty, cooking, gardening, electronics, the list goes on and on. And the other plus about joining Amazon's affiliate program is that it is a highly recognizable brand. Basically, people just love and trust Amazon. So your conversion rates will tend to be higher, especially during the holidays. You can expect a spike in sales. Now, on the downside, the commission structure differs between the various products, and honestly, the commissions are pretty low, only up to 10%. But I did want to mention it because there are a lot of pluses to using Amazon. The other plus I want to mention is, although the percentage of commission is low, they do basically give you credit. So if somebody purchases from your link and they purchase additional products at that same session, no matter what the product is, they're going to pay you commission on those products as well. So that's a nice feature that they offer. Another thing that I'm not crazy about is their terms of service is not so easy to understand. and their customer service is not great. So let's move on to number 3, which is Shopify. So one of the benefits of Shopify's affiliate program is that Shopify has basically established itself as a market leader. It's very well known, it's very user friendly, and offers lots of great resources and guides when you want to become an affiliate for their program. Now, they also offer for every sale, you make $58 for everyone that signs up, and $2,000 for everyone that signs up for their Plus plan. So that's a really nice commission. The other good thing is that the payment threshold is just a single sale, which means that you only need one sale in order to get paid. They have what's called a 30-day cookie, which means that even if someone clicks your link and they don't buy from your link right away, even if they come back 30 days later or up to 30 days, you will still get credit for that sale. And so conversions are relatively easy since their basic plan is only $29 per month. Now, the only real thing actually that I don't like about Shopify's program is that I personally like a longer cookie period. Now, I prefer to get 45 to 90 days or even a cookie that never expires, which brings us to our fourth and final affiliate program, which is GrooveFunnels. So GrooveFunnels, if you haven't heard of it, you probably will start hearing about it. They're new on the scene, and they are poised to become the #1 website and funnel builder on the market. But they also will be doing so much more. They're going to have an email service provider. They have a shopping cart as well that actually competes with Shopify. So there's many things that you can offer as an affiliate that's coming down the road. Now, the other great thing is that you can promote their products, which they have versions of their products which are freemium products, or they call freemiums. They're completely free, and you don't have to buy anything to sign up, and you will actually get 20% of all recurring commissions for anyone that signs up, and once they upgrade to a paid plan. And also, you will also get 5% on a second tier, which basically means that if you get somebody to sign up and then they get somebody to sign up, you'll get the 20% for the initial person that you signed up, plus the 5% from that other person that signed up. Now, you can also crank this up to 40% recurring commissions if you actually decide to upgrade to one of their programs. Right now, they have a lifetime offer that they have going on, which is really an incredible deal because you just pay one time, you won't have to pay ever again, and you can take advantage of the 40% commissions as well. Now, I personally really like this affiliate program for many reasons, but the main reason is it's backed by an internet marketer who's actually one of the pioneers in internet marketing space. His name is Mike Filsaime, and he's developed lots of great products already that have been tried and tested on the market. And he's basically just redoing everything from scratch, building everything on a newer technology, making everything bigger, better, and just a great product. So it's only going to be a matter of time once they get out of beta and they become a market leader. And if you can get in now, it's going to be a tremendous opportunity where you can make lots of money as an affiliate marketer for this program. All right, so those are my 4 best affiliate programmers for YouTubers. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit the notify button so that you're going to be alerted for any of my upcoming videos. And I do update my videos regularly. Also, if you want to learn how to get the affiliate products that you decide to promote on the top of Google and YouTube, just click on my link below. There's free training on how to make money with YouTube. You're also going to get access to a free training from an internet marketer that is making over $52,000 per month using this strategy. He's basically cracked the code on how to get to the top of YouTube and Google. So click on the link below, and I'll see you next time.